If you are experiencing account sync issues in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you ensure that your game data is properly synced across platforms. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, sync problems can occur due to server outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve minor sync issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Log out of your Rockstar Games social club account and then log back in. This can help reset your connection and may resolve any account-related sync issues. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Rockstar Games support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the problem to help expedite the resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the game support team.